Hey Savage Sellers, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Got my notepad, very official. We are going to be going over how I'm scaling my Amazon FBA brand using Instagram influencers and using paid external ads. So not Amazon ads, but ads off platform. So yeah, let's jump right into it. I'm going to be looking down at my notes here, wrote some stuff down that I wanted to cover. Really quickly, by the way, I made a free brand building framework. It's in the description, completely free. Just put in your email and I will send it to you. It's about a 30-minute long training. Version 2 is going to be coming out shortly. So you want to get caught up on like how I'm selling on Amazon and building my brand in a way that's different than like what 99% of what you're hearing about on YouTube is. Go check that out and you should be hearing from me shortly. Instagram influencers. So we're going to start there. I do have some experience with this and we've been using it. I actually just got a new, I should say affiliates, sorry. Instagram influencers, what I really mean is you want them to, so let's break that down. There's inevitably, if you pick a decent market and niche, I have a lot of videos about that. I'm not going over that today, but you should have influencers in that space that are already known for providing value and for providing free content, right? So they have the traffic that you want, right? If they have 30,000, 50,000, 100,000 followers, whatever it is, it's going to be tied into your market in a way in which those are actually your customers. So all we need to do, theoretically, is get them to be in a position where they're excited to promote our product to their audience. And there's a way that you do that. Here's what you don't do. You don't reach out to an Instagram influencer with 30,000 followers in your niche. Say you're going to be doing some type of like dog training brand, and you go to the first 5 people with big dog training Instagram pages and say, hey, I have a great product, you should promote it. No, don't do that. What you do first is you get them familiar with you. So you get to know them. And the way that you do that is by playing to their ego. So instead of offering them anything, asking them anything, even messaging them, I don't even message them until they've seen my name pop up in their comments at least 5 times. On different days, not the same day where you're doing spammy stuff. I save them to favorites on Instagram. So we have a Instagram account for our brand, and that brand's account has a favorites of only the brands that we want to work with. So when I put it in favorites mode, you literally just click at the top left of Instagram or like hold it and then switch it to favorites instead of your feed. And then it's only the people that you want to work with essentially. This all comes from a book called Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson, where he talks about building a Dream 100. So that's what I would recommend starting, is just save to favorites on Instagram 100 influencers that you want to work with. And then spend the first week or 2 weeks, once you have that list, just commenting and liking all of your future affiliates' posts so they get to know you. And they're going to start to see your name showing up consistently. Then after you've been doing that for maybe a week or 2 weeks, that's the get to know you phase, you move on to the offer free stuff phase. So reach out to the ones you have the best connection with first, maybe the ones that have commented back, replied to your comments. And at that stage, you're going to reach out to them, say, hey, I appreciate you like always replying to my comments or something. I love your content. And again, just leave it at that. We're still not making the offer. We're just opening up now the messaging cycle. And you're going to do that a few times. Just talk about the general area in which you're going to be selling in or you're already selling in, but don't bring up the fact that you want to work together. Just build the relationship in the same way that you would build a relationship in real life. It's easy to see in real life, and in normal communication, it would be absurd to just go up to people and just ask them for what you want them to do all the time. That's like a dictator. It's ridiculous, right? We hate people like that. So don't behave any differently with your brand. By the way, if you guys are like, what the hell is he wearing? He doesn't have glasses. These are blue light glasses, okay? I've been spending an immense amount of time in my office staring at bright screens, so they've been helping me. Anyway, so we have the get to know you, and then we have the opening up messaging, opening up communication off of just comments into the actual DMs. And now we have offer free stuff. So this is where, again, you're not really making an offer. It's like you're making an offer so good, why would they say no? Which is like, can I send you something? Not to post about, not to talk about, not to share, not to be an affiliate yet. Just, can I send you our product? We're super proud of it. We've been working on it for a long time. I think it would be really helpful to have your feedback on it. Let me know if you love it. Great. If not, I'd love to hear what you don't like about it as well. And just, again, leave it at that. Now you have an address. Now you have a contact. And you have essentially a lead for an affiliate. You send them something. And I would encourage you at this point to go out of your way to make whatever you're sending them personalized. So handwritten note in the box, free gift, something else nice, maybe like a branded t-shirt or something like that. Something that's above just what a customer would receive, so they feel even more valuable to you. And once they get that, wait for the feedback. And if they're excited about the product, that's when like strike while it's hot. Because now you have momentum built. They have the product. They actually really like it. They really like your packaging and your branding. You seem trustworthy at this point. They've been talking to you for a while. Now you go, by the way, we're actually in the middle of building out our affiliate team. I think we have a spot open for you. Like, use that kind of language. Like, you're almost doing them a favor by letting them promote your product. And then give them a really good offer. So like, we go close to break even on affiliates because we want them to drive traffic to us, and we know that in the long run, the traffic that they're driving to us is worth more because we have repeat purchases and we have a higher lifetime value than just a single sale from a customer. So right now we're only leaving ourselves like 20% profit, which is actually still pretty good. It's not really break even, but the reason for that, at the time of making this video, Amazon has an Amazon attribution program, and if you send them external traffic to your listing, you get 10% of the sale back. So it's like if you're giving them 25%, it's like you're really only giving them 15% of your profit. I give them of the sale, right? So it's like, I'll give you 25. I'll go over the deal and the offer I just made to an affiliate today. Like, we just finalized messaging, sent them their creative assets and their affiliate link. First of all, 30,000 followers in the niche, exactly related to our product. Exactly. So perfect fit. I've been talking to them for a while. I've known them for, I think, 6 months. 6 months. I did not make them an affiliate offer for 6 months. I've just known about them, and I sent them the free package. And at the time, they were just like, thanks, and they didn't seem like too hot, as I said. And there wasn't a ton of momentum. So I didn't even waste the mention of like, do you want to become an affiliate? I was just like, yeah, hopefully you love it. And then randomly, okay, like months go by. We get tagged in a post. They're using our product in front of their audience. Our packaging, real, creative, it was great. And the post blew up a little bit and got like several hundred likes, tons of engagement. And actually, funny little trick, my business partner, being the way that he is, like guerrilla marketing, he had himself, myself, and like 4 other individuals go to that post, share it, comment on it, etc., so that the engagement rate of that post was really high. And then they actually reached out to us. I shared it to my story, and they reached out to us. They're like, that post we posted about your brand's doing great. People seem to love your product, etc. And there were a lot of organic comments too about the brand. It wasn't just like us, but we were doing that to help. And then I go, okay, now like it seems like the right time to, make the connection. So I was like, hey, how do you feel about becoming an affiliate of ours? We can send you like a unique tracking link. It'll track all your sales, build up a balance, and we'll pay you 25% of every sale that you make in perpetuity. So like, this is not a sponsored post. We're not going to pay you for one time. Like, we want to work with you. We like you, and we want you to be continuously a part of our affiliate team. And basically, yeah, that sounds great. I got them the link today, got them set up, and I sent them a big like creative assets package. So like 40 photos or like 20 photos or something that are professionally done that they can use in any like newsletters, email, website, Instagram, whatever they want to use it for. By the way, a lot of you are probably wondering, how the heck do you get an affiliate link for an Amazon product? That's actually really easy. So the Amazon attribution is the affiliate link because it'll track add to carts, sales, detail page views, etc. So you just make one for each affiliate or each ad, whatever you're running, whatever you want to track sales of that are external, just make an Amazon attribution link. You go to Campaign Manager, tracking, or like something in reporting. It's in there. It's called the Amazon attribution. You make a campaign, you get a link from it. That's what you share it with them. Just name it the name of the Instagram account so you know that it's them. Cool. So that's affiliate marketing right now, and we're using that to grow. It's a slow play. We're trying to do it. There's only so many influencers in our market. We're trying to take it really slow and build a lot of trust. So that's why we're not like, if we came out of the gate swinging with like, hey, can I just pay you to talk about our product? Like, we don't want to do that. We want to build organic relationships and like really take over the market, and have people be excited to talk about our brand. So that's it. Ads. So we just started playing around with external ads this past week. We did Instagram ad as a test just to see like how to even build an Instagram ad, and it was literally a horizontal video in a vertical frame. So it was not designed well at all. It's just something we have, our sponsored display video on Amazon. We ran that asset video ad on Instagram, and it actually got like 14 add to carts, like 100 clicks, 200 clicks or something. So we're like, okay, there actually is potential here. So that kind of sparked 2 different creative ads that we shot vertically for our product and ran 4 different ads on TikTok starting 3 days ago. Don't really have great data on it yet because there's an attribution period. Everything's not tracked yet. However, we can see the clicks are starting to come in. We're just waiting to see if the sales are coming in, etc. And then just about 30 minutes ago, I published another Instagram ad, this time in the vertical format, so properly formatted. And instead of doing just a video ad, I'm doing a boosted post this time. So I made a post that's like optimized to drive traffic to our website. So we have a brand mascot, and the video is kind of about him and about the product, etc., and why we're so much better than everyone else. It's like kind of like arrogant but funny. And I was like, blank, the name of our key character, is on a mission to do blank. That's our mission statement of the brand. And then I also said, he said we should offer everyone 20% off on our website. What a cool guy. And then I did our hashtag that we're trying to get popular as well. And so that's the post. It's very curated. It's got like some NLP throughout the video of like hitting add to cart, going to the website, getting the coupon code, like showing the product in use, etc. Showing all the reviews, just endlessly scrolling through 5-star reviews. So perceived likelihood of achievement, time delay, one day shipping on Amazon, and then effort and sacrifice, showing how easy it is to use the product, etc. That is going to run in perpetuity to a lead squeeze page. So we've been doing a interesting strategy with free content on our website. So we have a blog. My business partner is responsible for this. He runs it with now we're training a VA to actually do it full time, and she's been doing it full time for I think 2 or 3 months now. So he kind of just like peeks his head in every once in a while, make sure everything's going smoothly. But we post generally like 1 or 2 blog articles every single week. We're just trying to rank for the keywords that people are searching for on Google. So it's a really long play, and it takes a really long time, and you have to know how to tag things properly and have to know SEO. But that's actually his background, so it's really fun to be able to work with him there. And we're getting daily traffic from that. Emails every single day. Day doesn't go by where we don't capture some leads wanting to buy our product from just that alone. So because that was so powerful, and because people really like our lead squeeze offer, which is 20% off your first order on Amazon, 1-day shipping, we are sending, just today we're trying this for the first time. Previously with our external ads, we've been sending people to Amazon directly, so directly to the offer. That's one format, add directly to offer, so add to Amazon. The next format that we're running currently is add to lead squeeze to offer. So we're going to be sending people to our landing page we already know is really optimized to capture emails. It's been doing a great job so far with free traffic. Now, for the first time ever, we're trying to pump a bunch of impressions onto an ad that hopefully drives people to click that lead squeeze page even more, because our goal now is customer acquisition. We want to build our list. The size of your company is basically the size of your list, really. Like, how many engaged leads can you get? Affiliate marketing, or I want to know more about external ads, something along those lines that shows me I should make more videos about this. I rarely do, because it doesn't seem like most people would even care about this so specific. If you enjoyed this video, you want to hear more in depth, maybe some stuff on the computer, certainly let me know so I have a better idea. All right, thanks so much for sticking around. I will see you in the next one. Later.